Yeah, my name is Jonathan Lepore, and in 2018, I was riding my motorcycle home and was hit by a careless driver. I was seriously injured and I required transportation to a trauma unit at a level 1 trauma unit at a local hospital. I broke 4 metatarsals in my left hand. My right shoulder was dislocated and broken. I also broke my left tibia, my leg. Yes, so I had to have surgery on my hand to do reconstruction with a trauma surgeon and a plastic surgeon to hopefully, regain, use of my left hand, and also had to have my left leg worked on. Yeah, so I had no real previous experience with this sort of situation, but I had heard about Adam Kornblau through a podcast, Rights to Ricky Sanchez, and through their commercials, had just got a sense that this was someone that I could trust and that I would want to work with, and someone who could help me in this situation. So I reached out to Adam shortly after the accident. I believe 3 or 4 days I had been transferred to an inpatient rehab facility, had a little bit more time, and I called his office. I received a call from Adam, and he actually visited me at that rehab facility to go over the details of my situation. Yeah, so like I said earlier, this was not something I had a lot of experience with, so I needed a lot of education, which Adam was happy to provide. So I developed a better understanding of the insurances and how that worked, being the victim of being hit by a careless driver, someone who was underinsured for the circumstances, and was able to support me in navigating that process, educating, and then also making sure it was an effortless process from my part, so I could focus on my recovery, knowing that he was taking care of the legal issues. Absolutely. So the person that was advertised was the person that I ended up working with, and that sense I had from the beginning that this was someone I wanted to work with continued throughout. I had great confidence that throughout the process, Adam had my best interests in mind. He was always extremely responsive to any needs that I had throughout the legal proceedings. I had ultimate confidence that I was gonna, achieve the best outcome possible. I would say they couldn't make a better choice within this area of expertise. There are clearly other cases that, prove this, but I think my own, is one that proves it as well.